Hi guys, welcome to Freshkite. This is Bala, and here this is the instruction video, and please watch this video carefully. Here you will find the instructions of what you have to do in the Freshkite course. First thing you have to do is you have to join this classroom, and this is a classroom code. And to join in the classroom, go to classroom.google.com and click this plus sign, click join class, and then you have to enter the classroom code here. So once you click the classroom code here, click the join button here. So this is the page you will see once you join the classroom. I will give the classroom code in the video description also, and you have to go to classwork. So in Freshkite, the course majorly covers on problem solving and web development. Okay, we also cover English and math, basic things. Okay, so if you are not very good in English grammar, okay, here you can go and you can watch these couple of videos. This is in Tamil, and basic tenses is there in this PDF. You can watch that, and this is one time. Please ensure that your basics are very proper. And then next is mathematics. Mathematics, we recommend you to spend 1 hour per week. Okay, or probably alternate days you can just check the videos. Basic mathematics, you can go to the videos here, and then you can solve the problems in this India Blitz link. Okay, the basic aptitude questions you can solve here, and then logical reasoning also you can watch this YouTube video and then solve questions using this India Blitz. I recommend to spend twice a week, spend at least 1 hour. 1 hour per week or 2 hours per week you can spend. Okay, and once this is over, the main thing you have to do is two things: problem solving and web development. These two things you are going to do in parallel. Suppose per day you are going to spend 4 hours for this course. Spend 2 hours on Python problem solving and 2 hours on web development. So for problem solving, Python programming is the first assignment you need to do. So here, if you see, there are I have my notes listed here. You can watch that, and yes, there's a list of videos which I created. Okay, here you have to go, and
Hi, welcome to this course from Freshkite. So we will
here you can watch this video. So there's a list of videos here. Go by each video, watch every video, and the way you have to watch the video is you watch for some time, okay, and then pause for a time, pause the video, think about what was told in the video, and you have to take notes. So how you have to take notes is go view assignment. Okay, here you have to create a document for each assignment. So click add or create docs. Okay, so a document will be created. Once a document is created, click that, and then you can start taking notes in this document. Okay, so while seeing the video, you can see the video for 3 minutes or 2 minutes. Think about what you have seen in the video. Google, if you don't understand anything what is told in the video, Google it, or Google it to find any pictures there. You can paste the pictures here. Suppose you are learning Python introduction, right? So you can Google for Python basics or Python for beginners. You can go to images. Any images you think of here, right, which will be good, you can also copy paste the images there also. Okay, so your note should contain basic, very little amount of text and more images, so that when you see your notes you'll be able to understand. And that's how you have to finish all these videos in Python. Okay, so while seeing the videos, take the notes like this, and so once you're done with so you have to basically do this Python and web development in parallel. Okay, so while if you spend 2 hours for web development, you have to finish HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So for HTML and CSS, I have given link for YouTube video where you can see and you can understand yourself, and I have given the link to W3 schools also. Once you finish HTML and CSS, you have couple of exercise to be completed. Okay, and the solution for this exercise also is given in a video, and then you can see Bootstrap, basics of Bootstrap, and then JavaScript and Oops in JavaScript. So these are all little, you can see it as a theory part, and whenever you see this, take notes. Whenever you learn from here, take notes. Okay, so this is the first assignment in web development, and this is a Python programming is the first assignment in problem solving. So once you have done this, once you have completed the videos, taken notes, and once you have done this, you can go to the next assignment. Okay, so here in problem solving, the next assignment is I have given. So here, if you see, while seeing these videos itself, we have given a list of problems in this document. Okay, so my suggestion is don't look at the solution, just see the question alone. Okay, probably we'll also put a document for the question alone. See the question alone and try to code the solution yourself. Okay, and then if you are not able to code, then look into the solution. Okay, look into the solution and then try to execute it. Okay, like this you can solve. We recommend you to solve at least 2 to 3 problems per day. Okay, and then see, once you solve the problem, the important thing is, this is a most very important thing, don't miss it. So suppose you are solving this problem, any particular problem you are solving it, a program to print number of digits or some problem you are solving. Okay, you are trying to solve, you are not able to solve, or you have any problem, put the question here. Okay, so put the question here, and then you should solve the problem without reference in 5 minutes. These are very simple problems. If you are not able to solve right, you have to basically put failure. Okay, and then you have to go to the next problem. You see the solution, and then you solve it, but even then you failed it because you have seen the solution. Then go to the next problem. Like that, keep on going. After 10 problems, come to the problem you have failed. Again, try to solve it within 10 minutes. Before you have seen the solution, you have understood the solution, right? Now try to solve it in 10 minutes. If you have solved, then you have passed. Okay, so this is how you have to do. All right, this is how you basically solve problems. Okay, you have to type in the Excel sheet. See, in the interview, they will ask you to solve within a given time. So you have to practice to solve problem within a given time. So you are passed only if you can solve within 5 minutes. So that is what you have to do for problem solving. And then, so the next is basically this is a kind of a mini project you have to do in Node.js and React. First you can go through the basics of Node.js, and React.js you can probably go through 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes of this video. And then this is a mini project where you have to do a CRUD operation, go through this and do this mini project. Right, this will help you to get a hold on web development. And next is the major project. There is separate code for front end and separate code for back end. This is kind of a hotel booking app. So you have to go through this, and you have to do this project also. Okay, and my notes are given here. After this, while doing this itself, you will learn Git and GitHub. Okay, and after this, you learn Git and GitHub and REST API. So this is what is the stuff you will be doing in Freshkite course. And apart from this, in our sessions, we will be training you to talk clearly, to communicate clearly, to think clearly. And once you finish this project, you will get a good understanding of how a web application works and how to create web application. And from here, you can start doing other projects. So once you finish this project, you can start applying for companies. Thank you.